this video I'm going to show you how you can create the sand effect in Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open the new page. Then you have to choose the background image. I have already downloaded the image from Pixabay website. Copy and paste into the workplace. I have to adjust the image. So now we have to add the text. Now we have to right click on the text layer and click on the blending option. You have to choose the color overlay and pick the color from the background. Then you have to go to bevel and impose. Here you have to choose the style as inner bevel and the technique should be sizzle hard. Then the depth should be 62% and the direction should be down. The size should be 5 pixels and the soften should be 0 pixels. Then you have to go to the shading section. Here you have to change the angle as 60 degree. Then the attitude should be 20 degree. Then you have to go for the highlight mode. Here you have to choose the screen and the color should be white. Then the opacity should be 50%. And the shadow mode should be multiply and the color should be black and the opacity should be 40%. Then you have to select the contour. Here you have to select the contour as a ring. Then you have to select the anti-aliased. The range should be 40%. Then you have to select the texture. The texture element you have to choose the pattern. Then the scale should be 27% and the depth should be 400. This will be changed sand effect in here. Now you have to go to outer glow. Then you have to choose the color as your background. Then click OK. The outer glow opacity should be 100% and the noise should be 100%. Then you have to choose the element spread as 5%. Then the size should be 6 pixel. Then you have to go for the quality section. Then you have to choose the range as 50% and the jitter should be 0%. Then you have to go for the drop shadow. Here you have to choose the opacity as 20%. And the distance should be 5 pixels and the size should be 5 pixels. Now you have to click OK. Now you can check the sand effect perfectly set in your image. All of these settings based on our text effect. If you would like to slightly adjust and make it the parameter as you need. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative videos, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.